If your Photoshop toolbar has disappeared, don't worry, it's usually just hidden, not gone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore the toolbar in Photoshop using 3 simple methods. We'll bring back the left toolbar, reset the workspace if other panels are missing, and use a quick keyboard shortcut if the entire interface vanished. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, if only the toolbar is missing, go up to the top menu bar and click Window. Then scroll all the way down the list until you see Tools. Click Tools and your toolbar should instantly reappear on the left side of your workspace. This is the fastest fix, and in most cases, it's all you need. If that didn't solve the problem, or if you're also missing panels like Layers, Color, or Properties, then your workspace layout may have changed. To fix that, go back to the top menu and click Window again, then hover over Workspace. From there, choose Reset Essentials, or select the workspace you normally use, such as Photography or Graphic and Web, and then reset it. This forces Photoshop to return the panels and toolbar to their default positions. It's a great option if the workspace got moved around or hidden accidentally. Now, if your entire Photoshop interface disappeared and all you can see is your image on a dark background, there's an even quicker trick. Press the Tab key on your keyboard once. Photoshop uses the Tab shortcut to hide all the interface panels, menus, and the toolbar so you can focus on your canvas. Press Tab again and everything comes right back. So if your toolbar is missing, remember these 3 fixes. Use Window and Tools, reset your workspace, or press Tab to toggle the hidden interface back on. If this video helped you restore your Photoshop toolbar, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tutorials, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.